I got a great t-shirt, but it assumes that my bust and my waist are basically the same size, and they're not. This is a simple alteration for people whose bust is larger than their waist and who want to have a waist without tucking in their t-shirt. So let's get started. So here is the t-shirt as purchased. I want to bring it in through here. There are 3 tricks that make this work. First, buy for your largest dimension, the bust, then take in the waist. Second, because the fullness of the bust is more to the front, you're going to need to leave more fabric in the front and remove more from the back. This means you have to cut out the side seam. You can get away with this sort of non-Euclidean geometry because knit is terribly forgiving and it will in fact work. Finally, don't tighten it too much or too quickly. You still want a natural look and a similar tightness in the bust and the waist so that it looks like it came this way. And if you have a differential feed dog on your machine, make sure to set it to gather slightly to offset the tendency of the t-shirt knit to stretch. I've done this several times for myself, so I went ahead and did the first pinning and sewing blind, then a quick fit, an adjustment, a final touch-up, and I'm done. The entire process, start to end, takes less than 20 minutes. Okay, there is the first draft on the full bust adjustment. Let's try it on. Okay, and here we are.